Hi guys, my name is Dom and welcome back to a brand new video on DomTalksTech. So you probably clicked on this video because you're looking for a brand new phone and you've seen that the Pixel 9a has just been released, and I'm going to break down in this video all the new features on the Pixel 9a and whether this is potentially the budget phone of 2025. If you're new here and you want to see more tech deep dives just like this, then do feel free to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video then do feel free to give it a like. But without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about the display on the Pixel 9a. So the Pixel 9a is a 6.3 inch Actua P OLED display which comes with 120Hz refresh rate, which is something that we don't usually see in a budget smartphone. The actual colours and brightness on the Pixel 9a are really good, and it feels modern and lightweight, and the bezels are minimal around the sides. So this screen really does punch above its price tag. If you're coming from a phone with a 60Hz refresh rate just like the iPhone 16e, then you're going to notice a huge difference with the Pixel 9a. That's whether you're scrolling through social media or watching video content, all the visuals are going to look really stunning on this display. So in terms of power in the 9a, we've got Google's G4 Tensor chip, and that's paired with 8GB of RAM on this phone, and it's smooth for day-to-day tasks, decent for gaming, and it also comes with a whole host of AI features, including Google's Gemini. So in terms of the AI features, we're talking voice typing that really works, smart screen calling, and a whole host of photo editing features as well, just like Google's Magic Eraser, the Add Me feature, and the Best Shot photo as well. So this is a great addition for a budget smartphone in 2025. In terms of power, none of this is actually going to outpace the iPhone 16 Pro in terms of raw power, but some of those smart features and including those AI features are really going to make a difference in everyday life, make things easier and make you more productive and more efficient, which is really good for a lot of people. So next up, let's talk about the camera, and this is an area where the Pixel has always shined and always performed really well over its competitors, and the Pixel 9a is no different here. So the Pixel is equipped with a 48MP main camera, and that's colour accurate and does the job without any fuss. It's completely point and shoot, and it's also got a 30MP ultra-wide camera which is equipped with some of Google's software smarts, including the Night Sight, Magic Eraser tool, and the Real Tone feature as well. So you've got a really capable camera on the Pixel 9a now. It's going to be great for many people, and of course you will notice it's also got one more camera over the iPhone 16e, which is a comparable smartphone in the budget market. If you are interested in photography and just want an Instagram ready camera without any fuss or no effects, the Pixel's camera is unmatched, and for the price of £499 starting is a really good sell, and it will be great for many people who are just like a great camera that they can bring out of their pocket at any time. In terms of battery life, this is an area where the Pixel also has you covered, and it comes with a 5100 mAh battery, which will be great to last you all through the day for moderate use. And it also has wireless charging, but it's not the most powerful wireless charging. It doesn't have the fastest speeds, but it is reliable and it is there on a budget smartphone. So next up, let's talk about software and longevity. So this phone ships with Android 15 out of the box, and it's also got some incredible promises from Google with 7 years of software and security updates, which is miles more than some flagship smartphones. So this is great to see in a phone that costs £499. So you're going to get long-term support. You've always got Pixel feature drops, which is really good to make your phone feel more fresh with all the new Pixel updates, and you've also got Pixel First updates as well, which is very rare for a budget smartphone, especially in 2025. So that's really good to see from Google, and will be great for people looking for a phone that does not break the bank. I've already mentioned in this video already, the price on this phone is £499 or $499, and which is a fantastic price for everything I've just mentioned in this video. You've got that 120Hz refresh rate, you've got the huge battery life, which will be great, all of the camera features and AI, including the Google Gemini. The screen, battery, support of 7 years of software and security updates is fantastic for that price point. So if you are after a phone that just works and takes great photos and gives you a premium software features, then the Google 9a should definitely be at the top of the list, and maybe even the top budget smartphone of 2025. But we're only at the start of the year, so we'll have to see what the rest of the year brings in terms of other budget smartphones. Of course, you've got the iPhone 16e, which has just recently released, and you've also got the Nothing Phone 3a, which has also been released recently. recently as well. So there's a lot of competition in the budget smartphone market at the moment. So there's a lot to choose from. The Pixel 9a is certainly up there with some of the best. That's everything. That's the Pixel 9a in a nutshell. That's my review. I do think it's a great budget smartphone for the price tag. And honestly, it may even be the best of 2025. We'll have to find out on that one. Do let me know down in the comments what you think. Would you pick this over something like the iPhone 16e or the Nothing Phone 3a, as I mentioned in the previous section of this video? If you are new to the channel and you really like content like this and tech deep dives, first impressions and hands-on videos, then do feel free to hit that subscribe button, as it really does help push my videos for more people to see and keeps this channel moving and growing forwards. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really does help and it boosts my video for the YouTube algorithm to push out to more people. And make sure, if you are subscribed, to turn on that bell notification to get notified as soon as I release a brand new video. That's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.